you will remember if you say something like 70% correct, then you are 100% understandable. Do you understand what that means?
Yeah.
What does that mean to you? I'm going to put that in the
You need
important.
to understand the whole pictures that you can express maybe 7%, 17%.
Almost. It's better than that. It's actually very positive. This is very,
Yeah.
very good news for you. So I'm going to say never forget. And that is if you are 70 oops, that's not percent, is it? Where's my percent? Hey, my keyboard doesn't have percent. Oh, there it is, number 5. Okay, so if you are 70% correct in your sentence,
Yeah.
then you are 100% understandable. What does that mean?
There have a gap between the expression and your thought.
Mm-hmm. No, not in this case. It is.
I'm smarter than I think.
Yeah. It is true. I mean, I know that. But in this case, is you don't have to be correct in everything that you say. For example, if you mess up a sentence,
yeah,
then you will figure it out. The listener is still going to know what you're saying.
Oh, okay.
So even if you mess up 70%, like if you mess up, okay, well, let's take a look at this sentence here.
Yeah.
I'll prove it to you. And remember, you're not American. You're not. You're not.
I know.
Remember, you're not American. That might be a good thing nowadays. Remember, you're not an English speaker. So English is not your native tongue. But can you read this?
Yeah, according to a research at Cambridge University, it doesn't matter in what order letters in a word are. The only what word important? Is that important?
Yes.
Okay. Important thing is that the first and last letter be at the right place. Why the word is okay. Yeah.
Why is it written like that? But do you understand? Do you understand it?
Yeah. The article is not correct 100%, but I can understand it.
But you understand it 100%.
Yeah.
Your brain will automatically put everything in correct order.
Wow, that's very cool.
Yes, I am. Thank you.
Okay. Wow. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if that works in Chinese syllables, Chinese symbols, but it works in English. So when you are speaking, you don't have to worry too much about saying things correctly. So you should not be shy about expressing yourself. So that's one thing that you should remember. Never be shy about talking to somebody or being nervous that you're not going to say things correctly and stuff like that. In reality, in a lot of ways, that's going to be a part of your charm. Yeah, you know that you know that your charm. You know what that means?
Charm.
Your charm. Like for a lot of foreign speakers, their way of speaking is a part of their charm.
Okay.
What does that mean?
That is charming part of mine.
Yeah, people are going to like it. People are going to like the way you talk, right? So
Oh,
when you go to when you go to UK, when you
Massive Maw, learning made fun, here to stay. Massive Maw, right with Massive Maw. Massive Maw, straight and bows and fuzz, stress. Massive Maw, slang and eon, say and the Massive Maw, slay in like that. Massive Maw, finger smooth it play, don't fear late, chew a penis more. Say it bold, it's your turn. Massive Maw, speak it right all day, every lay. Massive Maw, say it loud and don't delay. Massive Maw, learning made fun, here to stay. Massive Maw, English your way, it's Massive Maw. Massive Maw, Massive Maw. Massive Maw. Massive Maw. Massive Maw. Learn to speak it right with Massive Maw. Street or smart, it's all Massive Maw. Nouns and verbs, no stress. Maw. Slang and idioms, less. Massive Maw. Grammar rules that click. Massive Maw. Speak it smooth and quick. Massive Maw. Chill, repeat, and learn. Massive Maw. Say it bold, it's your turn. Massive Maw. Speak it right all day, every way. Massive Maw. Say it loud and don't delay. Massive Maw. Learning made fun, here to stay. Massive Maw. English your way, it's Massive Maw. Massive Maw. Massive Maw. Massive Maw. Massive Maw. Massive Maw. Massive Maw.